Bitcoin again get rejected from 61K and currently hold above $55,000. At the same time, Ethereum also get rejected from 2,700 approximately and still hold above $2,500. On this video, I want to talk about the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana for a lower and higher time frame. So definitely stay to the end. What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick and Bitcoin on the weekly time frame is still ping-ponging on this bearish pattern, and we can see the low band of the BB exactly standing around 55,500. That's why this green box is going to be good opportunity for buy as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 54K. Otherwise, if we be breaking the 54K, possible to come and retest the 49,000 again. This is still on the table, but as soon as the Bitcoin holding above 54K, possible to come here, get some liquidity and back up again, and possible for a Bitcoin back again, and we can see the mid band of the BB standing around 63K. So that's why we are still on the bearish pattern, but possible for a Bitcoin back again and get some short liquid on the market. MACD on the weekly time frame is still, we can see the histogram is a red. We can see the little bit change today, but still we don't see any cross, and possible for a Bitcoin more continue to the sideways action and possible even retest back to this zone. That's why this two zone is very good for a scalp trading. Market is so boring for a holder, but is good for a trader because the sideways action, you can get more money, and especially if you Bitcoin back again to 55,500, many long is going to be open again on this zone. But at the same time, but still Bitcoin hold above the 58K. It's still possible to come and retest the green box between 61K and 63K. Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we can see the low band of the BB is standing exactly around 59.5K and low band is standing around 54K. We can see the flag on the daily time frame. If Bitcoin close above the 60K, possible to continue, even possible for a Bitcoin to break this zone and come back and retest around 65K. And at the same time, if Bitcoin breaking the 55.7K, possible for come and retest the 55K, 56K, and possible to retest the low band around $55,000. MACD on the daily time frame, we can see the daily candle is green, but there is not so much volume on it. We can see the cross on the MACD and the histogram already changed to the green. And if you want to see something very bullish on the Bitcoin, bulls have to take over the $60,500. So this is about the Bitcoin. Let's jump to the Ethereum and see what's going on Ethereum. Ethereum on the weekly time frame, we can see Ethereum is still ping-ponging on this zone between the 2,500 and 2,700, and still Ethereum look like very bearish. But at the same time, Ethereum is still hold $2,500, and as soon as they hold it $2,500, possible back again to 2,700, and it still can keep continue the sideways action. And if we be breaking the $2,500, possible for Ethereum come and retest this shadow between the 2,100 and we have some support around $2,300. Ethereum on the weekly time frame look like not so good, but at the same time we can see the mid band of the BB is standing around 3,200. But to be honest with you, Ethereum is not looking good right now, and we can see the histogram is still continue to be red, and we don't see any cross on the MACD. And to be honest with you guys, I think in the major support of Ethereum is still around $2,000 to $2,100. Ethereum on the daily time frame is still below the 2,700. And yesterday and today we already get a rejected from the mid band, and this is not looking good to be honest with you. And anytime possible for Ethereum to break in the 2,500 and possible back again to 2,300, and I think in the major support is still around $2,000 to $2,100. If we be checking the MACD on the daily time frame also, we can see the histogram is a green, but still we are below the baseline, and still Ethereum can be continue on this sideways action. And to be honest with you, it's a little bit dangerous there because we don't see so much power and volume on the Ethereum. Possible for Ethereum back to 2300 or even 2200, and the major support is still around $2,100. At the same time, if Ethereum back above the $2,700, it's still possible to continue and possible retest the top band around 2,800, and we can see the top band of the BB standing around $3,000. To be honest with you, still nothing so much going on in Ethereum, and if you are a day trader, it's good for you to long again around $2,500 and stay for a $2,700. So let's jump to the Solana and see what's going on the Solana. Solana on the weekly time frame, we can see still we are so far from the all-time high on Solana, around $250, and still we can see the Solana on the weekly time frame, low band of the BB is standing around $120 and the top band is standing around $185. And right now we can see for a 3 week right now, Solana below the mid band and below the $150, and it's still ping-ponging between the $150 and $136. And if Solana breaking the $135-$136, possible to retest this shadow around $100, $112, but still Solana hold above the 136 and possible to come and retest around mid band. MACD on the weekly time frame, we see the histogram still continue to be red, and the price is higher than a baseline, and this is very good for a Solana as soon as the Solana hold above $120. On the daily time frame, we still have a strong support around 115. Possible still for a Solana to ping pong on this zone. As I mentioned before, if you breaking the $136, possible to 130 and even possible back to $122. And we can see anytime Solana back to this range, get a nicely pump. And if this time also Solana break and back again to 120 or 110, is going to be good opportunity for buy. So this is all about today. I hope this video is helping you, my friend. All the best for you. I'll see you on the next video.